Good evening and welcome back to another vlog. I was sleeping. I just woke up. It's 4:30 right now. Mine is working, and for some reason I had a little bit of headache, so I was like, let's go and sleep for some time. But yeah, now I feel good. I feel fine. So what I did today was I cleaned the whole house, which took 2-3 hours. So I was like, oh god. And right now I'm gonna be doing a little bit of dishes. I'm gonna put this in the dishwasher. I have 2-3 things to do, like clean the gas and then pack the table that is outside, because tomorrow we are going to Nitish and Ashley's place as it is as they are celebrating Everly's birthday. So we're gonna go there in the evening. So I'm gonna carry their table and I'm gonna pack the gifts today for Elliot and Everly. Yeah, and you won't believe, it's so funny. Last night we didn't feel like cooking, so we were like, okay, let's order. So we checked out a Mediterranean restaurant and we were about to order. We almost ordered. We put our card and we said play, and we clicked the button place order, and then it says while you were browsing the menu, the restaurant closed. It couldn't, the DoorDash thing couldn't tell us before that the restaurant is going to close and it won't be able to deliver. And then we checked out another restaurant. It was a Mexican restaurant and we were trying to order there, and as soon as we put all our details and everything, it again said while you were checking it out, it is the restaurant is closing, so it's not gonna take any more delivery orders. I mean, you could have told us that before. And then then the last option was, let's do Domino's, because we know Domino's is gonna definitely do it. And for some reason, something was wrong with the website. The Domino's thing also did not order. But the good thing that came out was that we made plain simple pulao instead of that, because that was the quickest thing I could do in my Instant Pot. So I did some like oil, some jeera, one very small potato, peas, salt, little bit of paprika and rice, and I cooked it like that, and it was so satisfying. We were like, thank god we didn't eat from anywhere else. But anyways, okay, I'm sitting over here in the laundry room. I am not doing what? What are you doing here? There's a dustbin, so you guys know what he's doing, sitting here right next to the dustbin. Oh, that's a big Yanni. That's a big Yanni. And yes, before I forget, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And if you are new, my name is Tanya. This is Marvel, and my husband Mayank, he is sleeping, so once he comes down I'm gonna introduce him. But yes, we are a family of 3 for now, and we love food, we love sharing our lifestyle with you guys. It makes us very happy, our ups and downs, everything with you guys. So yeah, look at that beautiful baby. And I'm a big dog lover, and also Mayank. Right, Marvel? Right, Marvel? Look at that fish. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Anyways, I'm gonna start doing my dishes and then finish up all the other work. And so here is Mayank. For everybody, I was telling all the new viewers who don't know us, this is Mayank, and I was introducing us. It's so cold today. This morning when we woke up and we took Marvel for a walk, it was -3. There was literally snow in the grass.
There we go. for all the new subscribers, welcome back again. And as Tanya has already introduced you guys, my name is Mayank, and I am not sure if you have been introduced to our prettiest person in the house after Tanya.
Already done.
Is this guy? But I want to introduce him again. He needs all the publicity. Well, anyways, like Tanya told you that we are going tomorrow, and then if you guys do not know Elliot, you'll get to meet him tomorrow. But regardless, he's a huge Ryan fan, so I'm gonna give you the sneak peek of the gifts, and hopefully we will give these gifts to them before they see this vlog, because Elliot literally wakes up and the first thing he do is watch the vlog. So anyways, let me show you. So this is a little Ryan blanket that we got for him, and I'm sure we will capture the reactions that he's gonna give, but he's gonna be super surprised. And then we got this piano mat. So it's a mat that you lay down, and it has the keys and you can plug it in, and then you can have your toddler or your kid just play on the mat and it produces different sounds. So it's very good. And then we got this super cool mat that has an invisible ink. So basically kids can just be on it and they can draw anything they want to, and after 10 minutes it just disappears. So you can have your kids play on it, paint on it, do anything they want to. So it's a waterproof fabric. And then one other thing, so it's like this. And the one other thing that we got is this Ryan's bag. It's a backpack, and we got it for Elliot so he can carry with him wherever he wants to, basically, because the schools are not going and he's probably homeschooled. He's gonna be homeschooled soon. He's only 3. So soon he may need a backpack, and this is gonna be his Ryan backpack. So anyway, so I'm gonna pack up the gifts for them tomorrow, and we have a couple more things that I'll show you once I get them and start packing up. Gift 1 is packed. Alright, so I have packed up these 2 gifts over here, and this is this one and the bag that's over here. I'm gonna keep it just like that. And then we have these clothings from Disney and from the Cary baby for Everly, and look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. So we are gonna wrap these up real quick.
Do you want to just put them in the bag?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I've just packed these 2, and then everything else here, it will be just by itself in the bag.
Yeah.
Super cool outside. We are done walking Marvel, and we are packing the gifts and stuff. So we have to go, and we realized that we have to get something. So we are gonna go outside real quick. It's not too far actually. It's just that it's so cold that everybody feels lazy to dress up, because once your clothes are warm, you don't want to take them off and then wear the cold clothes, right? So anyways, if you relate with that feeling, do let us know that that's how you feel when you have to change your clothes in winters. But anyways, we have to go run a quick errand, and then we'll see you guys once we are back again. Are back, and we got what we wanted, and on our way we wanted to eat some Greek food, Mediterranean food. So let me show you. Here is Tanya's chicken pita, and here is my falafel pita with french fries. Is
it good?
The fries are already becoming soggy. It barely takes 10 minutes. But then this will become soggy, and then you will just keep going in cycles.
Alright, not a problem.
We did our best, but it's so cold here that there's nothing you can do. This is yours, this is mine. I'm also gonna take some ketchup. and we are gonna go enjoy our meal.
Good morning, it's the next day and today we woke up super early because last night when we checked, the weather said that it's gonna rain from 6 o'clock. It's gonna rain from 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. back continuous without stopping. So we were like, oh my god, if it's rained so much, how are we gonna walk marble? So we woke up early because there was only a 30 minutes window when it was not raining. So we woke up, we fed him, we walked him, and then we freshened ourselves up and all that stuff, and I came down. Look at him. Good morning. Good morning. Yes. What do you need? I'm gonna make some tea for myself now. Mayank has started working. I'm gonna give him coffee and start our beautiful day. For today's lunch, I'm gonna be doing avocado toast 2 ways. One is gonna be the avocado with egg, and the other one is gonna be avocado with tomatoes. So yeah, that is what we plan. And today evening we need to go for Everly's first birthday. Happy birthday, Everly. We love you so much. She is so cute, my god. But yeah, that's the plan for the evening. We'll take Marvel with us, so yeah. Your advent calendar treats. Let's see what we have today. Oh my god, we have a bone shaped treat. Here you go. Today's advent calendar has this Hello Regina Phalange, Phoebe's fake name. Just gonna put it right here. Alright, this is like my favorite corner to sit and enjoy my tea. Right now it's raining, but hopefully very soon it's gonna snow outside and then I can sit here and watch the snow. And let me show you guys real quick. But this is basically, this is just an empty file, and then this was an empty file, and then I get all of these recipe cards from Publix every time I go to Publix for shopping. And then this is how I collected like an entire whole book of recipe cards. And there's so many variety that I love it. From seafood to meats to veggies, everything. Right, Marvel? Anyways guys, so you guys already know what we're gonna be making for lunch. And I'll see you guys in our next vlog. So until then, bye.